we are live. Hello, everyone. Good day. We are streaming on our global pages right now. Welcome to the debut of our brand new live series, Insider Secrets of Zealous Online Entrepreneurs. So today, it's really a perfect day to start something new, right, ladies? Right?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
right.
And
Yes.
we are very excited because in this episode, we want you to discover why we chose the name Zealous Online Entrepreneurs, our goal in our new segment. And you'll also have the pleasure of getting to know us, meeting us, your passionate global entrepreneurs. So, first of all, why did we choose the series name Insider Secrets of Zealous Online Entrepreneurs? Or we just call it Zoe for short, so that we won't we won't be pronouncing the whole the whole title, right? So well, we are very highly motivated and determined individuals, and we are very eager to share our passion and drive for our success in the online world. And we also have a fun fact for you. Zoe means life in Greek. So here, our mission is to inspire you to enhance your quality of life. Of course, not just existing, but truly living your lives, not just by getting by, but also truly enjoying the life that you deserve. And just like what we are always saying, sharing is caring, right? So we want to share our secrets as online entrepreneurs so that you can also benefit from the big potential online. So, of course, we want you to embrace your life to the fullest, like, for example, spending quality and quantity time with your loved ones, experiencing more adventures, and, of course, it's a good feeling if you are feeling fulfilled in life. So, our goal is to inspire and empower you to step out of your comfort zones, to dare, to thrive, and to live more through the power of the online entrepreneurship. But there, as you can see, we have a big group here. We are in full force. Today, we're just thinking of this series by this episode by just simply introducing ourselves so that you can get to know us better. And we also want to hear from you. So feel free to engage with us through your comments. Tell us where you're coming from, and we'll also give you a shout out later in the show. So there, Zoe's, who want to start the introductions?
Yeah, maybe I can go first.
Yes.
So, hi, magandang gabi. Hello to everyone who's watching us live and also to those who will be watching the replay. So, I also want to welcome you all to the very first episode. So, to introduce myself, I am Darren. I am from Manila, Philippines. I am a wife, a mom of two boys. So, I have an 8-year-old and a 4-year-old. And then I am a certified public accountant. I'm holding a full-time corporate job. So I've been practicing my profession for almost 19 years now. So maybe you can just do the math to to check how old I am. So and then I'm also a part-time digital entrepreneur. So me and my husband started the business in 2021 in the middle of the pandemic. So as our plan B. So that time everything was very uncertain. So this served as our backup just in case something happens to our corporate jobs, and also with the hope that this can be our corporate exit strategy and help us retire early. So there. So that's it from me. Maybe who can go next? So She.
Hi, good evening to all of you. I'm She. I'm from the Philippines and welcome to Zoe or Zealous Online Entrepreneurs. And um, I, I would like to introduce myself. I'm a certified public accountant, former managerial position in medical and IT industry. I quit my job almost 11 years ago for my two kids, 12 years old and 2 years old. Now I'm homeschooling mom, swim mom, toddler mom, and a mompreneur. So we started this business, this online digital business last January. to assist our finances while still have time to do the things that matters to us the most. First is our faith. Of course, we want to be involved in the ministries on our church and serve other people. Next is our family. Of course, we want to have time for our kids and develop intentional relationship with our spouse and our kids, and of course, our well-being. And we want to travel. We want to read. We read books. We want to have spend more time to our family. So this is our whys, and I would like to greet you good night, and hopefully you'll stay with us and um, more learn and have information for the rest of the group. Thank you.
Nice.
Hello, Sawadee Ka. I'm Betty, originally from the Philippines. I'm a teacher by profession. I'm currently living and working here in Thailand, and yeah, I have been working here in Thailand for over 18 years. I started this business because I want to retire early and I want to go home for good. I found this business is very lucrative and I don't need to sell products. And what I really like most is that I can work anywhere and anytime. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Mabuhay. I'm Pia de los Reyes and I'm here in the Philippines and welcome to our first episode of Zoe. So, I am a wife, a mom, and the youngest sibling in the family. By the way, I have two brothers. I have two older brothers and I am a bank employee for 22 years now. So, I love traveling. I play badminton. I love singing and dancing with my daughter. So that is what we do as our pastime. And also, I started this digital business because I want to help my aging mom. And of course, to have more means to travel and of course our salaries, me and my husband's salaries are just enough to for us to survive every day. So I want to have other means of income so that we can travel and so that's it. Thank you. That's it for me. So who's next?
Yes, I think we have a comment here, Pia.
Oh yeah. We have here Toto Bering Kadapan. Hi Toto, good evening. And
Yes, good evening. Thank you for watching.
congrats. He said congrats. Uh, wait, where is it?
Yes. And we also have
Congrats to
another
Sister
viewer.
Betty Kadapan. And also Grace. Hi Grace. Hi Mary Grace. She said hello ladies watching from Bangkok. So hi to all the people in Bangkok.
Hello.
Hi Grace. Thank you for watching.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you for watching. And we have a nice roster of online entrepreneurs here. We have the CPA, we have teachers, we have finance professionals. So I'm here again. I'm Ayin, and I'm also here from the Philippines, and I'm a former finance professional. I'm a wife. I'm a stay-at-home mom, and I'm also a homeschooler like She. I'm homeschooling my 6-year-old daughter, and what else do I do? I'm a dog lover. I love self-pampering, and I love eating out and traveling with my family. So we are very fond of going to beaches and also experiencing different cultures. And why did I start our online business? It's because We started our online business because I wanted to be an intentional parent, and I wanted to help my husband in the finances so that we can also live a well balanced family life. So, there, thank you. So, who's next?
Who's next?
Mhm. Hi
Cherry.
everyone. Hello, maayong gabi sa tanan. I'm Charimaine Kamaing, originally from Mindanao, Philippines. I work as a civil engineer here in Lipa, Batangas, and I recently got married last March. Why
Yeah.
this online business? Just like everyone else, I also want to spend more time with my family. In my case, some of my siblings are in Mindanao and some of them are in Manila. And my parents are in Mindanao too, so we're far from each other. And since my mother is already a senior citizen and my father turned 60 this year, I'd love to spend more time with them. And we also love to travel more. That's it for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Chari.
Thank you.
Hi, mayong gabi sa Tanan, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and good evening to other countries too. I am Jane Tisado. I'm from Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental, Philippines. I'm a full-time public school teacher, at the same time a mother of two college students and one senior high school. And my husband is a freelancer. I also love to travel, uh, also do shopping, and wants to spend more time with my family. I joined this business to gain financial freedom and, of course, to pay for my children's education in college and my dream of to retire early. Thank you.
Thanks, Jane. How do I say it? Marhay na Banggi sa Indugabos. So I hail from Camarines Sur. So I'm from Bicol. For those who are new to our pages, I'm Mel. My husband Jess is also an educator, actually, same as Jane earlier. And then me, I'm a licensed accountant. I'm also a CPA, a data process specialist, and also I work part time as a consultant. I used to work in finance in an investment bank, and I was also part of a culinary team of a global food solutions company. So my passions are more of food and numbers, which are quite far apart, but that's who I am. I'm also a wife. I'm married. I love cats, and I'm also a digital business owner for 4 years now. Why did we start an online business? As you may have seen, probably if you follow our pages, we're actually both busy people. So we wanted to have options. So we wanted to diversify our sources of income financially, and we also wanted to have more options time wise. And one of the reasons we wanted to start with a digital business was to also help other people, help other busy people have options when it comes to time freedom and financial freedom. Um, what else can I share? I guess in terms of the reasons as to why we started a digital business, you'll see something very common amongst us Zelus online entrepreneurs, or Zoes as we call it. We do want to have more time with our families, with our loved ones, and I think this is something. And also, of course, we also want to have more financial freedom. And I think this is something that is very common to everyone who might be watching live or probably watching the replay. And if this is something that you can relate with, what would you expect when it comes to the next episodes of the series? So, as we've mentioned earlier, it's a series where we share insights from Zoe's or Zealous online entrepreneurs on how to thrive online to live more offline. So, we'll be sharing more about secrets of online entrepreneurs. So, it may be coming from us, or we may have guests who will be joining us during the next episodes. We'll also have more details about how we actually earn online, how we can earn that much, what are the success, what are the how does a day in the life of an online entrepreneur look, and many other secrets that we would be sharing to you in the next episodes. Of course, I won't spoil all of them so that you'll watch the next episodes. So yeah, I guess that's it. Anything you'd like to add, ladies, before we close this very short episode, just as a teaser for everyone?
I think we have
I think I'll
additional
just
Or do you
read
have
comments,
new
them.
Pia.
comments?
Yes.
Yes, okay, I'll read it. So Grace said she also want to retire early, and William Riego, he said good evening, go Zo,
Good
and John
evening.
Paul de los
Thank you.
Reyes, my husband said family is love. So thank you for all your comments, Grace, William,
Thank
and
you.
JP. Thank you.
Thank you. So yeah, we do see a lot of people who can relate
Thank
with the
you.
reasons that we've shared earlier. So join us again on our next episode as we share more about the insider secrets of Zoe's or Zealous Online Entrepreneurs. That's a mouthful, sorry. So that has been episode 1 of Insider Secrets of Zoe's. There, thrive, and live more.
Yes.
Good night.
Thank you. Thank you for
Thank
watching.
you
Bye-bye.
for watching.